आए हो तो पूरा देख के जाना और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना गाइस। एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट एंड देयर एलिमिनेशन का ये क्वेश्चन हर साल रिपीट होता है। 90% एस्पिरेंट्स एनसीईआरटी लाइन इग्नोर कर देते हैं।
16.4 Mechanism of concentration of the filtrate mammals have the ability to produce a concentrated urine. The Henle's loop and Vasa rector play a significant role in this. The flow of filtrate in the two limbs of Henle's loop is in opposite directions and thus forms a countercurrent. The flow of blood through the two limbs of Vasa rector is also in a countercurrent pattern. The proximity between the Henle's loop and Vasa rector, as well as the countercurrent in them, help in maintaining an increasing osmolarity towards the inner medullary interstitium, i.e. from 300 μ small 1 in the cortex to about 1200 μ small 1 in the inner medulla. This gradient is mainly caused by sodium chloride and urea. Sodium chloride is transported by the ascending limb of Henle's loop, which is exchanged with the descending limb of Vasa rector. Sodium chloride is returned to the interstitium by the ascending portion of Vasa rector. Similarly, small amounts of urea enter the thin segment of the ascending limb of Henle's loop, which is transported back to the interstitium by the collecting tubule. The above described transport of substances facilitated by the special arrangement of Henle's loop and Vasa rector is called the countercurrent mechanism, figure 16.6. This mechanism helps to maintain a concentration gradient in the medullary interstitium. Presence of such interstitial gradient helps in an easy passage of water from the collecting tubule, thereby concentrating the filtrate, urine. Human kidneys can produce urine nearly 4 times concentrated than the initial filtrate formed.